Eager to create a website but have zero coding knowledge? No worries at all. Whether it's for your blog or for your business, you will learn how to harness the AI magic to build your very own website using ChatGPT 4o. We'll be using HTML, CSS and JavaScript as our basic programming languages. The coding playground of choice will be an online editor, one compiler. With ChatGPT 4o by our side, creating our dream website is as simple as describing what we envision. Whether it's a portfolio, a blog, or an interactive application, GPT-4o will guide us through the process, ensuring we achieve our goals efficiently and creatively. Let's roll. First, let's open our ChatGPT playground and let me select 4o. Now, let's see what will be our prompts. I want to build a portfolio website. Let our front end be HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I want to execute this on an online editor, namely one compiler. This goes our instruction constraint to the GPT. I want this for the target audience who have zero coding knowledge or at their learning phase like college students and early professionals. So, let it be simple and easy to execute and understand by them. This sets target audience to the GPT. Let the creation of this be very responsive, creative and with simple explanation and step-by-step process which helps them to understand and create these easily. This sets context to our ChatGPT. Please explain everything from scratch. We are instructing ChatGPT how it has to give us the steps. Great. Now that we understand our prompt, let's execute this on ChatGPT 4o and see the results. Wow, we got the results so fast and in a well-structured manner. For more information on ChatGPT 4o, check out our video on ChatGPT 4o versus 4 versus 3.5. Great, let's quickly execute this to see our results, how our website looks like. We just copy-pasted 3 different codes. Executing this codes is very easy on the online one compiler platform. We just have to copy paste the relevant codes in the sections. First goes HTML, then comes CSS, that is style. As a third part, we just copy paste the JavaScript code to the JavaScript container. You can see towards your extreme right you have a preview window. Once you click on the run button, it will execute the complete code which you have provided and show your website how it will look like. This is the basic structure of your portfolio website. You can enhance the design, color, pattern, responsiveness and add few of the actions as per the requirement as well. Thanks for joining us on this journey as we built a portfolio website with ChatGPT 4o. Remember, we covered creating a portfolio website using GPT-4o. Added customized designs and basic functionalities. Don't miss out to hit that like, share and subscribe button for more AI-powered tips and tricks. Until next time, happy building your digital dreams.